Cineplex Studios. Just watch us now.
Coming after me. The only thing that will set you free is to bite the hand of the one that feeds. When you live and die by the gun, oh, oh yeah. If you live and die on the run, watch out, you think you're big baller. Bow down to make another dollar. Stand up and hear the world holler. I say just give 'em hell. Everybody wants a little bit of fame. I never wanted to play the game. All I ever wanted was to do it my way. Yeah. When you live and die by the gun. Oh, oh, yeah.
Don't do it. It's not worth it. Just put the gun down.
You don't understand. Killed my mom.
I am very sorry, but he will have his day in court.
There's no day in court. No one's gonna side with the Knight family.
Listen, I know everything about the Knight family, Jasmine, but you were not involved with anything that your father was doing. You were just conducting your regular life outside of the foundation.
No one cares. All they're gonna see is my last name. And then this monster will walk. There's no justice for me.
There's definitely not gonna be any justice if you pulled that trigger. Now please, put the gun down. Your dad already lost a member of his family. You don't want to make him lose a second one. Jasmine!
I say just give 'em hell. Feels like I'm 30 feet tall. Have you ever had a dream and you've seen paradise in the middle of the sea and it's calling you? The awakening of this place sits in peace and harmony, and when the wind is right it will take your spirit back in time. Hawaii, hanau ka'aina. Hawaii, hanau keli'i. Hawaii, hanau ke kanaka.
Sorry to disturb you, but the governor of Hawaii is here and would like to speak to all of you.
Excuse me?
It's okay. We knew we'd have to deal with this. Let's just get it over with. It's all right, Serena. You can send him on over. Thanks.
Antonia, it's okay. Just remember not to tip your hand to him.
Yeah, he might just bite it off.
You guys don't understand. He's not just the governor of Hawaii. What are you talking about? Rumor has it that he's also the leader of the Yakuza. The
Yakuza, the Japanese version of the mob. Gangsters. If you thought the Knight Foundation was difficult to deal with, you've seen nothing yet. They won't hesitate to make a scene, so I would watch what you say.
Yeah, I don't know. I find it really hard to believe that the governor of Hawaii would reveal himself in a setting like this. I don't know.
Aloha, ladies. I heard the two of you were in town, so I just had to come by to personally welcome you. Madam President Gibson, and you as well, Mayor Carmichael, and of course, Councilwoman Kahele.
Aloha. Welcome to my hale.
Thank you.
Yes, aloha. It's good to see you again, Governor.
Thank you. Is there anything I can do for any one of you today?
No, we're fine, but thank you.
So, may I ask what this meeting is about, since it involves the former President of the United States?
You mean because of her position on the sovereignty situation?
Well, since you brought it up, yes. And what's the Mayor of Pacific Breeze doing here?
Well, if you must know, we're here discussing a situation on the mainland. My hometown, to be precise. I thought I'd get insight and expert opinion from my two political friends here.
Well, just understand that things are stable here in Hawaii. We don't want to rock the boat, as they say. So whatever the three of you are planning, just keep it on the mainland. After all, we don't want anyone unwanted politics exposed on the evening news.
Are you threatening me, Governor? Because if you are, I know something about you as well.
Oh? Like what?
How would your constituents feel if they found out they were backing a gangster?
Dear Councilwoman, everyone knows, first, the Yakuza are not gangsters. They're businessmen. And second, the only thing I lead is my political party. Might want to check your sources. I think it got a little too creative. And, word has it the three of you are trying to form some kind of pu'uhanua on the mainland for the Hawaiian sovereignty people. Let me give you a fair warning. If you do this, the Yakuza will show themselves, and I promise you, there will be no peace in your little town, Pacific Breeze, if you enact this legislation. And, things are the way they should be. There's really no need to bring out this crazy aleo of any pu'uhanua.
Mahalo. Thank you for your insight. We will take it under advisement.
Mahalo.
Mahalo. Let me walk you out. You can't hide the fact that you're the leader of the Yakuza. Like it or not, it'll come out one day. And when it does...
Let me guess.
When it does, I will be the first to vote you out of office.
Mahalo, Antonia.